In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo and redo actions in Stack. Whether you're new to Stack or just need a little refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can confidently manage your actions going forward. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive into it. First things first, you need to head over to the Stack login page. This is the starting point of our journey today. If you're not already familiar with the login page, it's the gateway to accessing all your projects and tools in Stack, so it's well worth getting comfortable with. Once you're there, look for the button that says Login with Google. Since Stack integrates with Google, this option is not only convenient but also more secure. Clicking here will take you directly into your Stack account, asking you to choose your Google account if you're not logged in yet. Now that you're logged in, your dashboard might look a little overwhelming with all the different options. But don't worry, just focus on locating your specific project. Find the project you're working on and give it a click. This will open up a more detailed view of your project's environment. Next, we're going to pay a visit to the Plans and Takeoffs section. This section is key as it houses all the visual plans you'll be working on. Once you're in Plans and Takeoffs, you'll likely see a View button. Go ahead and click on this. It will give you a closer look at your plan and where you'll be making any necessary changes or adjustments. Then in this view, there's an option to edit. Go ahead and click on it. Imagine you've made an error, like selecting the wrong tool or messing up a measurement. We've all been there, don't stress. Mistakes happen and fixing them is easy. On the right side panel, you'll find the handy Undo button. Clicking Undo will take you a step back, effectively reversing your last action and getting you back on track. And that's really all there is to it. A quick revisit: navigate to your project, jump into Plans and Takeoffs, go to View, and if ever needed, hit Undo to correct any errors. It's a simple process once you know where to click, and it provides a safety net so you can work in Stack with confidence. Hopefully you found this walkthrough clear and helpful. Practice these steps, and over time, using them will become second nature. Thank you for joining me today to learn how to undo and redo actions in Stack. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy working.